Greetings of the day. I Chavi Gupta welcome you all in today's session. Now I will explain you what is a chemical reaction. The chemical reaction means a reaction in which the reactants undergo a change and form a new substance, that is products. You can say in your simple language that they are the raw materials. They are the raw materials. These raw materials undergo a change and form your new substance. Fine. Or for better for better understanding, just see. Your mother cooks vegetable. Your mother cooks vegetable. But what was that? It is a chemical reaction. How and why? Just see. Suppose you are bringing raw vegetables. These are your raw vegetables. Fine. When these raw vegetables are cooked, means you keep it on a flame or heat it up, they become soft. So that means this softness cannot be regained back into the raw vegetable form. So this is a chemical reaction or this is a chemical change. But in the same way, we have a chemical reaction which we indicate through some symbols. What are they? Just see. And how to indicate a chemical reaction. You have, suppose, a raw material A and a raw material B. These raw materials are known as reactant. They form a new substance, suppose C. So this new substance is your product. Now we are saying that A plus B are reactants and they form a new substance C. What does this arrow indicate? This arrow indicates change. That means A and B have undergone a change. उनमें एक change हुआ so that they form a new substance product C. So this is known as a chemical reaction. This is known as a chemical reaction and reaction is shown by RE upper small n. Clear? So if somewhere it is written as RE upper n, that means it is asking about the chemical reaction that you have to write. Now just see one more example. We have studied about that iron plus copper sulfate gives you iron sulfate plus copper. We have studied. That means iron plus copper sulfate. We have studied this one, that it will form a iron sulfate plus copper. The change is that this iron is grey in color and this copper sulfate solution is blue in color, but the color of the solution changes and it becomes light greenish. Fine. But the iron will become reddish brown. So this is a chemical change. Fine, because this iron cannot be reversed back into the grey color iron form, but you have to demonstrate in the form of a reaction. Now how you will do that? You just write the symbol of iron is Fe plus copper sulfate is written C small u capital S capital O, and at the base of O you will write 4. So this is known as copper sulfate. This is known as iron. Fine, it will go under a change. उसमें एक change होएगा. So this change is known as chemical change. Now what it form is FeSO4 plus copper. Fine. This is a chemical reaction. Now what are the key terms over here is that it is iron, it is copper sulfate, this is iron sulfate, and this is copper. Fine. These are the reactants. These are the products. So this is known as your chemical reaction. Now if suppose you have to write it, you will write what is a chemical reaction, that is Fe plus copper sulfate gives you FeSO4, that is iron sulfate plus copper. You will write this iron copper sulfate solution iron sulfate and copper. Fine. This is gray in color, this is blue, and it will become, iron will become reddish brown, and the solution will appear as light green. Fine. So this is a reaction that you have to write. In a reaction you will write everything in small steps. That is, you write iron, so iron is gray in color. What is the change? That iron change into reddish brown. Clear? So copper sulfate, you have write copper sulfate, it is blue in color, but the solution of copper sulfate changes and it becomes iron sulfate solution, and the color of the solution is green. So it is a chemical reaction, or you have to write reaction like this only. You must be much better cleaner than me. Now next reaction is your photosynthesis reaction. Photosynthesis is when you use carbon dioxide plus water. When the plants are using carbon dioxide plus water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll molecule. Fine, it will give you C6H12O6 plus O2. Fine. Now this is your carbon dioxide, this is your water. You will write at the bottom of CO2, that is carbon dioxide. Below the H2O you will write water. C6H12O6, this is your glucose, you will write glucose, and below O2 you will write oxygen. Fine. Now what is happening, that the CO2 and water are reacting, so they are the reactants together to form glucose, and oxygen is evolving out. So this is a chemical reaction for photosynthesis. Always write the reaction. This is a reaction that you have to write. Next is your, that when you burn magnesium ribbon, now when you burn magnesium ribbon, the symbol for magnesium is Mg. Symbol for magnesium is Mg plus oxygen. Burning it will take place only in the help of oxygen. It will give you magnesium oxide. Fine. Now this magnesium, you will write below Mg is magnesium, below O2 is oxygen, and below MgO is magnesium oxide. Magnesium oxide. Okay. Now this magnesium is grey in color. When it reacts with oxygen, it will form magnesium oxide, and it is white color powdered. White color powder. So this is a chemical reaction. This is a chemical reaction when magnesium ribbon burns with oxygen, that you have to write. Whenever the question is asked that what happens when a magnesium ribbon is burnt, so you will explain that when a magnesium ribbon is burned in the presence of oxygen, it will form magnesium oxide. The grey color magnesium ribbon converts to white color powder, that is magnesium oxide. So for better understanding of the teacher, what you will do is you will write magnesium, below magnesium plus O2. O2 is your oxygen, indicate through an arrow, and then write MgO. This MgO is your magnesium oxide. Now below Mg write it is grey in color, simply write grey. O2 is oxygen and MgO is white color powder. So this indicates that the gray color of the substance changes to white color powder. So this is a magnesium oxide which is formed due to a chemical reaction. I hope आपको chemical reaction समझ में आई है. Thank you.